back. Found a driver here. Yeah, this will just come loose when you get this bolts loose. Or you can work it out. You just don't want to lose these screws. I certainly don't want to. There's one of them. There's two. Okay. Well, this did peel right up easily. So that's nice. Let's get a little extra grip here. I don't think I've loosened this one yet, so maybe I have, because it didn't seem too bad. So, yeah, some bunch of thread locker in there, but I don't think that's their thread locker. I think that's mine. Oh yeah, no, I did take this off before. I'm remembering. Or no, they took it off maybe. I can't remember. One of these, the tire wobbled, and I tried everything with that. I tried different tire, still wobbled, and one of them I just sent it back, and I said, something's wrong here. They changed the tire, and they said that's what the problem was, but I don't know. I still feel something on all the pints that I ride, just something imperfect about the way it rotates. It's very subtle, but on one of these it was remarkably poignant. Okay, so that's loose. I don't think these are going to re-stick. That's unfortunate. I have to cut them. Oh, definitely got a problem here. I'm going to X-Acto those. Let's see. Where's that X-Acto knife? There's one. Okay. This will be fun. Just try to hope that this will go back as much as the way it was, so I don't mess up the look of it too terribly. In there a little bit tighter. So I hope everybody is staying well and safe. I'm sure by the time you're seeing this and it's posted, all this coronavirus stuff will be history. Let's hope. But it might very well change the way that we operate as a society. I get this loose. Gotta take that motor connector off. Same way as the pad connector. So you're gonna unlock it. Do a little turn. And then just wiggle out. Okay. Now this. Anyways, what happens here is with this handle, this goes one way or the other way. Part of this handle twists out. And you gotta kind of work it a little bit. But I do really need to get this one piece off here. Look at all that pollen in there. I feel like this is just inhibiting my movement here. Just need to pop that out some. There we go. Okay, so this one is loose here, you see. That would just come right through. It sits on there. And then this one. Pull the cable through there, and voila, it comes through. Now the handle sits in there a certain way, so you gotta be careful. But there's a mechanism in here that just kind of like push it out. It just kind of folds out of here. I just don't remember exactly. Up there, I feel the looseness. It's just in there. Getting loose, and then it will just kind of twist out. You see, this is the important part right there. So you just have that, you put that back in, and then you work this side into that slot. So I don't know which way is the easiest. I just prefer to do it this way. It just reminds me more of the XR. So the rails are here. I don't know if it's faster 100%, but this is what works for me. Maybe not for everybody. And then putting it back together, you just do the opposite. That's what they always say, right? Well, it always sounds easier than it is. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit, but it's not that difficult. Okay, well that's the first part. Now I'm gonna unbead this tire and get that off. Put that whisper on here. And we will resume this.